Today, friends, we are going to be working with beginning sounds again. So let's look at the words that we have on the screen. I'm going to wait a second to see if you can read them on your own. We have the words Mary, brown, mother, and bear. Now take a second to think, what do you notice about these words? Let's say these words again. Mary, mother, brown, bear. Something I notice about these words is they have something in common. What do you think these words could have in common? The word Mary starts with the sound. That is the letter M, Mary. And the word mother also starts with the mother sound. They both start with an M, so Mary and mother both make the same beginning sound, which means they start with the same beginning letter, M. Let's look at the next words. We have brown, and bear. Both of these beginning sounds make the b sound, so they both start with the same letter. They both start with the letter B. So today you're going to be looking at words and thinking about what do you notice, and you're going to be making matches between words that have the same beginning sound. So you're going to be doing a Nearpod lesson, and you're going to flip over a card, and if the card says Mary, then you're going to try to find a match of a word that has the same beginning sound.